It is no secret that Nancy Pelosi, the U.S. House Speaker, is good at picking stocks. Former U.S. President Donald Trump even said she's better than legendary investor Warren Buffett. Strong returns of both her and her husband, Paul Pelosi, raise questions of possible insider trading, considering her influence and extensive access to information. It is reported that most of Pelosi's gains are quite interesting, given the timing of her place. For example, it is reported that she was able to get into Tesla around stimulus news and NVIDIA before the American semiconductor funding was announced. In fact, Pelosi's stock trading performance was reportedly only the sixth best in Congress in 2021, according to Unusual Whales, a financial service provider. It concluded that congressional lawmakers last year traded $290 million in stocks and other assets, and that they outperformed the market on average. A New York Times analysis found that nearly 20% of congressional members are involved in buying and selling stocks where there may be conflict of interest. It showed that from 2019 to 2021, 97 representatives and senators or their immediate family members reported trades of stocks, bonds, or other financial assets that could have been influenced by committees they were serving on. Recently, public opinion polls indicate that as many as 80% of Americans support banning members of Congress from trading stocks. Under mounting pressure, Congress introduced the bill this year named the Bipartisan Ban on Congressional Stock Ownership Act of 2022. However, it got stalled in Congress. Earlier this year, Pelosi said negotiations were going well and indicated that the bill would be brought to the floor for a vote soon. More recently, however, it is reported that there was not enough time for a vote before the midterm recess. The stall has triggered widespread anger among the American people. Some have called it a failure of House leadership. According to Pew Research Center, public trust in the U.S. federal government is near an all-time low. Only 29% of Democrats and Democrat-leaning independents said they trust the government always or most of the time, while only 9% of Republicans share this view. Shouldn't the U.S. government reflect on why they're losing the trust of the people?